With Foxit Phantom PDF, you can simply access your enterprise content management base files, make edits, combine, and share them with others. Let's look how easy it is to access, merge, edit, and share iManage based PDF files with Foxit PhantomPDF Mac. Let's start editing a PDF document located on iManage. First, open Foxit PhantomPDF Mac and go to the Share tab. For this example, we are already connected to an iManage environment, so you just need to click over Open under the iManage tab. Then look for the document you want to open. For this demo, I need to correct the word tenant, which is misspelled in this lease agreement. To do this, go to the Edit tab and place the cursor over the misspelled word and fix it. Once we finish with the edits, go back to the Share tab and choose Save As. Here we can either save it as a new document or save changes to the existing file on iManage. For this case, we will save it to the existing file. Now our edited PDF document is back on iManage. Continuing with the same lease agreement, I would like to add a copy of the tenant's driver's license on the third page. You can do so by going to the Organize tab and click over Insert. Then choose From File and look for the driver's license file. Next, make sure you insert the new document after page 2 and finish by selecting OK. Once we finish merging the files, go to Files, click over Save As to ensure the document is back on iManage 10. Start seamlessly modifying and sharing your PDF documents with Foxit PhantomPDF Mac.